everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install Apple CarPlay in an Audi A4 with the 3G MMI. That's the interface. Super easy install, like maybe half an hour installation. Just need LVDS cable and also climate control. Excuse me, we get the T-harness from the climate control. So it's all plug and play, and you can control it with the factory MMI knob. And it's using a factory microphone in the car too. Go to closest McDonald's.
When you should be, then you're in luck. Because Western sale has been extended. 2 million more seats on sale. Now for travel until October.
We can go back to media by holding the menu button. We can go back to
Route to
navigation.
McDonald Associates PC.
If you're interested to get this type of Apple CarPlay, it does Android Auto 2, USB multimedia, and also mirroring option. If you're interested to get these type of interfaces, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.